Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some active conditions across the region this morning. Seeing currently in a lightning warning for lightning within 10 nautical miles. Going to see thunderstorms in and out of the region today throughout the daytime hours, as well as seeing a good chance of thunderstorms continuing for the overnight hours. We'll see a chance of some stronger storms today as well, especially during the late afternoon and evening hours with a line of storms moving through from the west. We'll also see some breezy conditions today, so could be seeing a wind advisory this afternoon. So multiple hazards possible today across the region with breezy conditions, showers and thunderstorms in and out of the area with those coming through currently, and then a good chance once again later this afternoon in the evening hours. Also going to see a risk of some stronger storms with the main risk being the stronger winds with the line of storms coming through later today. Overall today, temperatures will be in the mid-80s for highs today. Once we see some clearing from the thunderstorms this morning, should see a bit of clearing and seeing those temperatures bump up in the mid-80s today. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we do have Tropical Storm Bertha in the northern and eastern portions of Gulf of America currently. That's going to be slowly moving towards Louisiana here in the next day or two. That is not really impacting our weather directly, but it is allowing for some moisture to flow up from the Gulf of Mexico ahead of this cold front and warm front over our region. This warm front's moving through the area this morning, and then we'll see a cold front kind of stall out across the region and become a stationary boundary the next 2 days, giving us prolonged chances of showers and thunderstorms for today into tomorrow and possibly lingering in the first half of Thursday. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have showers and thunderstorms across the region currently, and seeing those move through the area. Looks like this activity has continued to develop off to our south and west, and looking at the radar imagery, you can see those showers and thunderstorms moving through the region currently. It's going to be the case here. Looks like for the next hour or two at least, seeing showers and thunderstorms in the area. These two continue to develop as this warm front moves north of the area, and seeing that lift developing these thunderstorms continue across the region. Hopefully we'll see a break in this activity early this afternoon, giving us relief from the lightning advisories and warnings, but overall seeing that continued active weather. And taking a look at our lightning this morning, you can see we do have that thunderstorm moving through and lightning within 10 nautical miles, as well as seeing some lightning in the central Delmarva, and as well another thunderstorm off to our south and west. We'll see if this thunderstorm's near Williamsburg is able to move through the region here later this morning. And taking a look at the HRRR model here, you can see not really doing a great job with initializing the thunderstorm this morning, but does bring in more activity this afternoon with continued chances of showers and thunderstorms. Moving into late afternoon and the evening hours, you can see a line of thunderstorms off to our west and trying to move through the region during this time period as well. This is around 8 to 9 p.m. and continuing the overnight hours, more rounds of showers and thunderstorms across the region. And with these multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms, could be seeing a chance of some localized heavy rainfall. So could be seeing some locations seeing a bit more rainfall than we need. So could be seeing some localized flooding if we do see this prolonged activity as the models are showing. And moving into the overnight hours tonight, you can see continued showers, thunderstorms across our region. And into Wednesday, more activity develops across the region. Going to see another chance of some stronger storms as well on Wednesday. And then continuing into Wednesday night to Thursday, more showers, thunderstorms developing across the region. And hopefully this activity is able to move out of the region for Thursday afternoon. We'll continue to monitor the trends in the models for Thursday. But taking a look at the Storm Prediction Center and our risk for severe weather today, you can see we are under a enhanced risk, and that has been moved a bit farther south this morning with the update this morning, and that does include Wallops. So we will be most likely seeing either a tornado watch or severe thunderstorm watch later today, and we do have a 5% chance of a tornado according to the Storm Prediction Center, so it could be putting out a tornado watch later today or a severe thunderstorm watch. And our main highlight for the severe weather today will be a 45% chance of that strong to severe wind across the region. And taking a look at our European model here for the next few days, you can see the activity today into tomorrow as well, and continuing to linger early Thursday. And as I mentioned, with this cold front sitting across the region, lots of moisture in the atmosphere, resulting in areas could be seeing training of thunderstorms, so could be seeing a possibility of that localized flooding across the region if we do see those storms train. So that'll be another hazard we'll be watching here for Wednesday into Thursday morning. Once we move into Thursday afternoon, that activity should move off the coast. Some indication among models is that it does get hung up across the region for Thursday. But overall, hopefully we'll be able to build some high pressure in for Thursday, giving us less humidity as well as keeping those showers off to our south. Into Friday, we'll see high pressure build in the region. European model here continue to see high pressure on Saturday and Sunday. And right now, models are split on whether we'll see another influx of moisture, and with that, some chances of showers and thunderstorms on Saturday and Sunday. Right now, leaning towards a dry solution across the area. And on Monday of next week, could be seeing another upper level disturbance moving in from the Great Lakes region, possibly giving us another chance of some late day showers and thunderstorms. We'll hold off on that until we get closer, as models will refine the timing of that, I'm sure, once we get closer to that event. And taking a look at our risk chart today, multiple hazard across the region today. Red condition currently for the showers and thunderstorms in the area. With that current lightning warning, we'll continue with oranges for our lightning this afternoon into the early evening hours, and then overnight, once again, with that line of showers and thunderstorms, looks like it should move through from about 8 o'clock and continuing until about 4 local, with the best chance of those showers and thunderstorms coming through. Could be seeing heavy rainfall during this time period as well. Continuing with a orange condition, so a likely condition of seeing those showers and thunderstorms even into Wednesday morning. As we get into work tomorrow morning, could be seeing more activity across the area. So a very active weather day into tomorrow morning as well, with multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms. We'll see breezy conditions today as well, expecting a wind advisory after about noon today, and then likely as we move into the late afternoon to the evening hours with wind gusts up to 28 knots. And if we do see any of those thunderstorms in a stronger fashion move through the region, we'll be seeing those wind gusts above this 28 knots with any of those strong to severe storms. High today, I have bumped this down a little bit from this morning to 87. I do expect a clearing this afternoon in the way of our clouds, and that should allow us to bump up into the mid to upper 80s across the region, and then overnight seeing lows in the mid 70s. As far as our terminal forecast goes, we'll see multiple cloud layers as well as multiple chances of showers and thunderstorms. But in general, unless we do have a shower or thunderstorm overhead, should see VFR conditions this afternoon. Otherwise, we're going to see lower ceilings and reduced visibilities with the showers and thunderstorms in the area. Our tides are running normal at this time. Looking at Wednesday into Thursday, Wednesday and Wednesday night continuing with active weather. Wednesday, mostly cloudy, overcast, breezy, and humid with showers, thunderstorms likely. Some of the storms could be strong with gusty winds and heavy rain, a high of 85 degrees. Wednesday night, showers and thunderstorms likely continuing. Some of the storms could produce heavy rainfall, a low of 69. And for Thursday, we'll see chance of lingering showers and isolated thunderstorms early. Otherwise, mostly to partly cloudy and less humid in the afternoon, a high of 78 degrees. Next 7 days, once we get past this active weather today into tomorrow, we'll see in general better conditions for Friday through Monday, temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s from Friday through Sunday, and then seeing those temperatures bump up a bit on Monday before an upper level disturbance moves through, highs in the mid 80s. Right now, giving a 20% chance of a shower or thunderstorm on Saturday. Right now, not too confident in whether this system will come back north and bring moisture and chances of showers, thunderstorms, so only giving that a 20% chance at this time. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll have our next weather briefing tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.